Hey y'all, I don't know if you've heard, but Google just released a new feature and they're rolling this out now. I know if you have a paid plan, you should be seeing this if you don't already. Not 100% sure if the free plans are showing this just yet, but I wanted to show you all really quickly. But now, if you go into your Google Drive, it's making it easier to help you organize all of your files that are all out of place, not sorted, not organized. And so once you go into your Google Drive, you will now see suggest file moves. So now Gemini, which is the AI version inside of Google, it can suggest file moves for you. So let's say you wanted to suggest file moves. Now it's scanning all of your unorganized content, all of the files that you have not, put in a certain folder, any files that are loose. It's gonna do its thing. So I'm gonna just let y'all walk through the process so y'all can see. Because now you don't have to pay somebody all this money to be able to organize your stuff for you. AI is literally doing it for you. So this is what it shows. So once it does the scanning of all of the files, now it begins to show you the different things. And then you can say, yes, move the files there, or you can change the location yourself. It's going to tell you the reason why they're suggesting it be moved here, and then suggest the location, all of the things. And it also tells you where it currently is. And so you would just review this and go from there. And so as you can see, these are a lot of the newsletters I send to my clients. Um, I could literally, they're all going to go to email marketing. I can even create a, a subfolder within my email marketing folder specifically to say client newsletters, right? And then I would literally be able to change the location to that particular subfolder within this folder, if that makes sense. I can also say, instead of me putting it there, let's change the location and put it in one of my other file folders, right? And so I can go here and see my particular folders that I've already set up and then go from there, right? And then it is literally as simple as 1, 2, 3. So let's say I wanted to move these, like these are challenge emails. These will be moved to a particular challenge folder. And so let's say, I don't want to do that. So I can unselect the ones that I don't want to deal with right now. And then the ones that I say, yeah, we can do that. We can put them there where they're suggesting. Then I would literally just go through it and let's see. We just scan it, all of the things, and let's say I want to do that. I'll just click move files. And so, for example, I don't currently have a Screencastify folder. So if it's suggesting a location based off of a new folder, it will create that folder. So when you say create new folders and move files, that's why I would say create new folders. However, some of these are folders I already have. So let me show you. So this is a new folder that I don't currently have. This is a folder I currently have. These are all folders I currently have. But this is also a folder I currently have. So if it's numbered, I already have that. But this one is not. So if I say move files, it's telling me it has to create this Screencastify folder. And then I would just click create and move. And it just organized it for me. 2 files moved to one new folder and 3 files moved into 2 existing folders. Y'all, it's literally that simple. And again, for the ones, for example, this is something that I'm working on. I could literally go and see what exactly is in this particular folder, right? But let's say, again, I wanted to move it to its correct location. I would literally go to where it's supposed to be, and then I can find either the folder it needs to be in there or I can create a new folder here. So I could literally do create a new folder, particularly for this particular challenge, and I can create it. And now it has a place to move. So all three of these are already checked. Now I'm going to click move. Change who has access. It will be visible to anyone. So cool. And then it's moving them for me. Okay. Same thing for these two. Not that. I'm going to go here. I'm going to click move. And it's going to move it. Oh, I canceled it. Again, I hover over the suggested location and then I choose the location I want it to go to. Same thing, move, and boom. And so it's that simple. It's literally suggesting where it thinks it should go based on AI doing its thing, and voila. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions here. If you need inbox organization support, please let me know. I am an operations manager and consultant over at the Empire Effect Agency, where I help my clients, CEOs, consultants, nonprofit founders get clear and get things done. And I do that through operations management, back end support, and organization, system setup, workflows, process development, performance management, team coordination, things of that nature. And so if you're looking to get your inbox organized, you can use Gemini or you can get someone else to do it. Okay. And so let me know if you have any questions.